can't even draw. And so somebody who's creating beauty is in a different realm than I am. And, you know, I'm a shortcut taker. I'm not like Ross. Ross will go to the 110% of everything he does. And I'm always trying to pull him, how about 75%? And he doesn't go for it. So it is better sometimes for him to deal with people who are they see the world differently. They don't see the world like I see it. And so Ross is better at it.
So I want to move over a little bit, and I want to talk to y'all a little bit about something that was really interesting to me. And we kind of touched on it when I came out to y'all's farm to ask y'all to come on the podcast. No, they didn't come here voluntarily. Um, and it was kind of surrounding y'all's social media, because I think it's kind of the flag that y'all put out every time that continually gets y'all business. And especially a lot of people poo poo off social media. They're like, well, you have to have millions of followers and X number of this. And y'all have kind of had a little bit of a different approach.